Hello. So the next question, this question number 2 is that you have to find xt, that is the mathematical expression of this figure given. Okay. So how to solve this? So I'm trying to solve this here. Now, okay. Next is okay. So first I have to draw the figure so that I don't miss any point. Clear? So first, what was the function was with respect to t, it is xt. Okay. So what is xt? Initially, there is a unit step function of magnitude 2. Okay. That means, and at this point, a ramp has been generated. So there is a 2 and there is a ramp. Now, how much time this ramp this ramp has gone up to maximum value of 4. Okay. Suppose this is the value of 4. Okay. So the ramp from 2, it go up to the magnitude of 4. And from magnitude 4, after reaching magnitude 4 at time 1, after reaching magnitude 4 at time 1, suddenly there is a jump. There is a sudden step jump, and the step jump continues up to magnitude equal to 1. Okay. And from time 1 onwards, there is a step function like figure continues up to time 3. So this continues, the value of magnitude 1 is continuing up to time 3. And then there is again a slope. Then there is again a slope which is coming towards the time bar, and it is intersecting the time axis at value 5. I'm sorry, it should not be there. At value 5, it is intersecting or touching the time bar, and then the value is remain at 0. Okay. So this is our pattern. So we have to give the mathematical expression for this type of pattern. So first, you have to follow where these steps or the figure actually changes. So it has been changed from 2, then again at time from 0, the magnitude 2, there is a ramp, then there is a step, it continues up to fall down from 4 to 1, that means there is a step jump of 3, and from 1 to 3 it remains with the same value of 1, then there is a ramp again, and up to 5 it is in a ramp slope, then again it is taking the value of zeros. Okay. So when we are starting, first we have to write the expression for this part. So what is the expression of this part? This is nothing but a unit step having a magnitude 2. So from 0 to 2, this part we are going to express writing 2u of t. Okay, this part we are expressing with 2ut. Now from this point a ramp is occurring. So that means from this point there is a positive slope. There is an anti-clockwise slope. Anti-clockwise slope means a positive slope. So this ramp should have a positive slope. So we have to put a plus sign. Now what is the what is the m of the ramp? That means the slope of the ramp. The slope of the ramp is, this part is 2 and this part is 1. So the slope of the ramp is 2. And where it has been started? It has started at t equal to 0. So the function of the ramp will be r t. Clear? So from this part, we come to this part. Now we started with the ramp, and when we came to 4, magnitude 4, we are getting that sudden step jump occurs. That means, now listen carefully. Suppose I have a ramp here. This is occurring from here to here. If there comes a negative slope here, negative ramp here, what is going to happen? This part will be negated by this ramp, and it will be a straight line parallel to the time bar. Okay. But here what happened? Here at this point, if two ramps actually negate each other, the figure will be like this. But here what happened? Here there is a step jump. That means here another signal is appearing. Clear? So that means at t equal to 1, first we have to take a negative ramp, which is actually going to cancel out this ramp. So we know when we giving a negative ramp, it should have a same slope. To cancel a ramp, the negative ramp should have a same slope. So, but the magnitude will be, the slope magnitude will be negative. So there will be a negative sign here, and the slope will be remain same 2. But where the ramp has been started? The ramp has been started at t equal to 1. So the function will be written as r t minus 1. Clear? Now, as I have told, if these two ramps exist, the figure will look like this. But the figure is not like that. There is a sudden jump. That means at t equal to 1, there another signal is coming. Okay. So what is that signal? Definitely it is nothing but a fall. That means it is nothing but a step signal. So this step signal is having a negative magnitude. That is why the value of step function is coming from 4 to 1. So that means how much of negative step has been fallen into this system? Definitely the value will be 4 minus 1 equal to 3. The magnitude will be obviously minus. So there is a 3 of u. Where it has been take place? It has been take place at t equal to 1. So it will be u of t minus 1. Okay. So now we come to this point. So if I write in this way, that means we have written this part, and this part. Okay. So we came to, this will happen, if there is no signal, this will continue. But at time t equal to 3, there is another slope. How much? What type of slope is this? It is a clockwise encirclement. That means it is a negative slope. So there will be a negative ramp occurring at t equal to minus 3. So obviously we have to put a negative sign here. And what is the slope of this ramp? The slope of this ramp is, this part is 1 and this part is 2. So that means the slope of this ramp is half. Okay. Where the ramp has been occurred? The ramp is occurred at t equal to 3. So it will be r t minus 3. Now if this happens, this ramp has to continue towards infinity. But at t equal to 5, obviously there is a slope change. Here the slope becomes 0. That means at this point obviously a positive ramp took place. Okay. And that's why, so if this positive ramp is there, which has been negated this ramp, and we know when it negates, the slope should be same. So and as the direction indicates, the sign will be positive, the slope will be half. But where is actually it is occurring? It is occurring at t equal to 5. So it will be t minus 1. So this will be your final expression of this mathematical figure, this functional figure. Mathematical expression of this functional figure. Okay. Thank you.